Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. Man, this day is going by kind of quick, but let's go ahead and explain to you guys kind of like what's going on. This is pretty much day 2. I've been messing with my turbo, trying to remove it. Yesterday I messed with it for hours upon hours upon hours. I've lost track. It was so much, and I recorded basically a voiceover of me talking and just talking about various different stuff to you guys about, you know, whatever I could really think of, you know, like on those days it's really hard to explain. That's the type of gift I have, is just to try to speak. So basically guys, in the video, even though I recorded like over an hour and I tried to like really shorten it, like I wasn't able to pull it out, but I didn't give up on it. My phone actually gave up on me. It already died. I went back outside and it was really dark, and I had my flashlight and I heated it up like a one last remaining type of bolt, and I was able to break it loose, and I finally got the turbo pretty much out. So let me show you kind of like what we're dealing with, and then I'm just gonna basically record installing the turbo, and hopefully I could do it before the sun goes down, because this day I've just been doing all kinds of stuff, guys. It's been crazy. So let's check it out. So here we go, guys. The turbo is out. If you're trying to remove your turbo as well, make sure you remove the bottom bolt, not only for this clamp but the bottom bolt that holds it over there. The most annoying bolt was that one. I could not really get that one out. This is the size of the bolts, guys. Can you imagine these little things? They're the ones that gave me like the most trouble. But there's a oil pipe right there. I will have to pull that out. I believe it simply just kind of like plugs in there. I can't remember whether it's got anything else, but I should just be able to go ahead and pull this turbo out. Of course, I have the resonator out. That's what the resonator looks like. This van does have a plastic resonator. If you do have a turbo that resonator is leaking, this is where it leaks from, that particular seam right there. I believe mine's good for now. Most likely, if it fails, I'm going to glue it. I do have a metal resonator. I mean, the resonator, that's where it plugs in between the turbo. It connects right there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get my turbo and try to install it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, first I want to blow this turbo out from any kind of dirt or whatever else it has accumulated. So let's see if it's going to spin. Yeah, look how well it spins. Basically this is simulating exhaust gases going in. So it does spin basically, that's part of the turbo, so let's spin this one. You could definitely tell that the design told me to spin one way. Okay, now that's the turbo we're going to be installing. Let's get the one that we just removed. There you go, guys. There's that one. Pretty cool, ain't it? Actually, guys, I think there's some metal chunks. There's these metal chunks in here. Interesting. Wow, interesting. Now I wonder if shifting the lever would make it any different. Guys, you could definitely tell my turbo that I've removed, it seems like it almost has like, you know, like it's louder, maybe it spins a little bit faster. It's interesting. It almost makes me think, like, why did I pull it out? But we have possibly damaged turbo vanes inside, so, you know, we're replacing it, and I'm going to take it apart, see what's wrong with it, you know, at the right time. So let's do a couple more tests. Okay, so there you have it, guys. The two turbos. This is the one I'm going to be installing over here on the left. So I guess let's get to it then. One thing's for sure, guys, this turbo here on my left, it's got kind of like a rusted type of thing on it, rusted tube. So what I'm doing now is just transferring one of the bolts because it was missing for some reason on this other turbo. I possibly removed it. Now it's going to have it, that's for sure. Okay, that's good and tight. It's time for the installation.